Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce pasta from scratch. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of whole milk. Don't forget your cooked pasta, about 250 grams, and essential seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the foundation of our white sauce, the roux. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden color and smells slightly nutty. This simple butter and flour combination is crucial for achieving a smooth, thick sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to transform it into a creamy sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure no lumps form. Keep stirring as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. You'll notice it thickening beautifully. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and that subtle hint of nutmeg. Taste and adjust as needed. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Add your cooked pasta directly into the warm white sauce. Gently toss until every strand is beautifully coated. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or some grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of flavor. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a comforting weekend treat. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.